If you're seeing an ElevenLabs unknown error, don't worry, because in this video I'll walk you through 3 quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This issue can happen for a few different reasons, including a stuck browser cache, a VPN triggering security checks, or even a temporary service outage on ElevenLabs' side. The good news is that you can check all of these in just a couple of minutes. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes and tutorials. Let's get into it. First, let's clear your browser cache with a hard refresh. This is one of the fastest things you can try, because sometimes your browser is loading an old or broken version of the page. On Windows, press Ctrl plus F5 at the same time. On a Mac, press CMD plus Option plus E to clear the cache and then refresh the page. After that, go back to ElevenLabs and try the action again. If the error was caused by a stale page or temporary browser glitch, this alone may fix it immediately. If you still see the unknown error, the next thing to check is your VPN. ElevenLabs' security system can sometimes flag masked IP addresses, unusual locations, or traffic that looks suspicious. That can trigger hidden errors or unusual activity blocks, even if everything on your account is fine. So if you're using a VPN, turn it off completely, refresh the page, and try again without it. If you're on a work network or any connection that routes through a proxy, it can also help to switch to a different normal internet connection like your home Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. If the issue still isn't gone, the third step is to check the ElevenLabs service status. Sometimes the problem isn't on your device at all, and it's actually a global outage or an ongoing service issue. Open the ElevenLabs status page at status.elevenlabs.io/history and look for any recent incidents, degraded performance, or outages. If there's a known problem, the best move is to wait until the service is restored, because the error may resolve on its own once ElevenLabs is back to normal. So to recap, the main fixes are hard refresh your browser, disable any VPN or proxy, and check the official status page for outages. In many cases, one of these 3 steps will get ElevenLabs working again right away. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.